Hello, I am Maheeka Bijlani. When I first entered Makerspace after looking at the 3D printers, I thought that they were really complicated. And for a person like me who had never done any electronics, I thought that they were really difficult. But I still did join Makerspace because I was really interested in the topic. I still remember my first day at Makerspace. I didn't put the resistor properly and the LED blew out. Now, recently, I made a light following car. There has been a very big change in me. Now I feel smarter. So much wouldn't have been possible without collaborating with all the other makers in the lab. They have taught me about teamwork and also dividing the work so that all the work does not come on one person. My favorite project of Makerspace was the light following car because I didn't have to debug it a lot of time and I made it myself. It looks really cool. Lastly, I thank my school and my friends for giving me this opportunity to showcase my ideas into reality.